Beginner's Guitar Lessons here, and today I'm going to be going through a pentatonic exercise. Now this one's going to be skipping strings, so the idea of it's pretty simple. I'm going to do the 2 notes on one string, skip the next string, and go to the following string, do the 2 notes there. Then I'm going to go back to the string I skipped and kind of repeat the process. Alright, the exercise today is going to be in the key of D, and I'm going to be starting out with my C shape with my pinky on the 5th string, 5th fret. Alright, now I'm going to be going 2nd, 5th on the 5th string. I'm going to be skipping up to the 3rd string now, 2nd and 4th. So 2nd, 5th on the 5th string, 2nd, 4th on the 3rd string. Now I skipped the 4th string, so I'm going to go back to the 4th string and do 2nd, 4th on the 4th string. Then we're going up to the 3rd and 5th on the 2nd string, 2nd and 4th on the 3rd string, 2nd and 5th on the 1st string. And then I'm going to reverse that. 5th, 2nd on the 1st string, 4th, 2nd on the 3rd string, 5th, 3rd on the 2nd string, 4th, 2nd on the 4th string, 4th, 2nd on the 3rd string, 5th, 2nd on the 5th string, 4th, 2nd on the 4th string, 5th, 2nd on the 6th string, and I hit the D, our root note again. So the whole thing. Next, I'm going to the A shape. Now the A shape is going to be my 2nd finger on the 5th string, 5th fret. Again, we're in the key of D, so there we go. I'm going to go 5th, 7th on the 5th string, and then 4th, 7th on the 3rd string. 4th, 7th on the 4th string, 5th, 7th on the 2nd string. 4th, 7th on the 3rd string, 5th, 7th on the 1st string. Then I'm just going to reverse that. 7th, 5th on the 4th string, 7th, 4th on the 3rd string, 7th, 5th on the 2nd string, 7th, 4th on the 4th string, 7th, 4th on the 3rd string, 7th, 5th on the 5th string, 7th, 4th on the 4th string, 7th, 5th on the 6th string, and then hit a root note again. Now I'm going to be going to the 6th string, where I'm going to be going to my G shape. My pinky is going to be on the 10th fret, 6th string, so that way that's my D note. Alright, so I'm going to go 7th, 10th on the 6th string, 7th, 9th on the 4th string, 7th, 9th on the 5th string, 7th, 9th on the 3rd string, 7th, 9th on the 4th string, 7th, 10th on the 2nd string, 7th, 9th on the 3rd string, 7th, 10th on the 1st string. All together. And now I'm just going to reverse that. 10th, 7th on the 1st string, 9th, 7th on the 3rd string, 10th, 7th on the 2nd string, 9th, 7th on the 4th string, 9th, 7th on the 3rd string, 9th, 7th on the 5th string, 9th, 7th on the 4th string, 10th, 7th on the 6th string. All together. I'm going to be at the E shape, which is going to be on my 2nd finger, is going to be on the 10th fret, 6th string, on the D note. So now I'm going to go 10, 12 on the 6th string, 9, 12 on the 4th string, 9, 12 on the 5th string, 9, 11 on the 3rd string, 9, 12 on the 4th string, 10, 12 on the 2nd string, 9, 11 on the 3rd string, 10, 12 on the 1st string right there. And now we're just going to reverse that. 12, 10 on the 1st string, 11, 9 on the 3rd string, 12, 10 on the 2nd string, 12, 9 on the 4th string, 11, 9 on the 3rd string, 12, 9 on the 5th string, 12, 9 on the 4th string, 12, 10 on the 6th string. All together. Now we have the D shape. Typically for these exercise type videos, I typically go down to the key of F for my D shape, but I think this time I'm going to live a little bit on the edge and do it still in the key of D. So here I am, my 1st finger's on the 12th fret, 4th string, my D note, and I'm going to go 12, 14 on the 4th string, 12, 15 on the 2nd string, 11, 14 on the 3rd string, and 12, 14 on the 1st string. Alright, so the D shape is a little quick going up. Let's hear that. Now I'm going to start reversing that. 14, 12 on the 1st string, then 14, 11 on the 3rd string, 15, 12 on the 2nd string, 14, 12 on the 4th string, 14, 11 on the 3rd string, 14, 12 on the 5th string, 14, 12 on the 4th string, 14, 12 on the 6th string, and then back to D right there. Awesome. The whole thing. There we have it, a good exercise to help us see the pentatonic a little bit differently, and even something we can plug into our solos as a lick. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to check out GarrettsGuitarLessons.com for more free lessons, resources, a PDF of this exercise, backing tracks, blogs, and a ton more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.